So I recently inherited this powerhouse of a mini desktop PC, the Lenovo M73. And as you can hear right now, if you can hear me still, it sounds like a bit of a lawnmower. Now, for a computer to make a sound like this, I think it's pretty safe to say that there is probably something stuck in the fan. So let's pop it open and see what we can find inside. This thing is absolutely packed with state-of-the-art technology. Okay, so it's obvious that these noises are definitely coming from that fan, but I can't see anything on top. So we're gonna have to pull this fan out and see what we can see from the underneath. Alright, fan's out, let's give it a whirl. Oops. Anyway, as you can see now, we've got it up and it's running completely fine. So there's no obstruction. That doesn't sound good, but there's no obstruction in the fan. So it must be down underneath it here. That cap looking a little thick, a little sus. We'll check it out because this thing's spinning fine. This suspect number one, we're going to enhance or zoom in on this thick boy down here, and it looks like there's some scratching on top, and it looks a bit bloated compared to that one on the left there. So I'm pretty confident this bad boy is causing our issue. To inspect it any further, I'm going to have to take this board all the way out. So let's continue with the disassembly. Anyone who's worked on a computer, this should look familiar because it's basically a computer, but it's just a little bit smaller than a normal computer. So here we go. Enjoy. That didn't take too long, so now we've got the board out. We're just going to have a quick word from our sponsor, PCBWay. They offer precision PCB manufacturing, fast turnaround times, and prices that won't break the bank. From prototypes to full-scale production, they've got you covered. Need assembly services or advanced options like flex PCBs? No problem. Plus, their expert support team is ready to help you every step of the way. Join the global community of innovators who trust PCBWay. And in addition to this, they also have a web store where you can find awesome tools, toys, and merch. I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, jumping back into it. Thick boy cap removal class. Here we go. Heat from below. Take note of what side that white line is on for the ground side, and take note of what side I've put it in here. I did it backwards. I did notice, and I rectified it before I got to this stage. Now that to me has scrubbed up rather nicely. Give it a little polish. And there you go, look at that. Two beautiful caps, same size, same height. Whoops. Best 35 cents I have ever spent, as long as it works. Now, before we get to put it all back together, we've got to deal with the crusty old thermal paste. And of course the dust bunnies in the fan. As we slide that final cover on, we approach the moment of truth. See, it's on. And it's whisper quiet. Look at that. Beautiful. Although it doesn't boot. No operating system found. That's an easy fix. Load my favorite outdated operating system. Thanks, Windows.